John B. Calhoun was an American ethologist who dedicated his life to understanding animal behavior, particularly in relation to population density and social structures. Born in 1917, Calhoun's interest in animal behavior began in his youth, observing the intricate social interactions of birds. This early fascination led him to pursue a career in zoology, culminating in a PhD from Northwestern University in 1942. Calhoun's early research focused on wild rats, observing their territoriality and social hierarchies. His groundbreaking work in the 1940s and 50s explored the effects of crowding on rat populations, revealing the detrimental impact of high population density on social behavior and reproduction. This research brought Calhoun recognition for his innovative experimental designs and his focus on the ecological and social factors influencing animal behavior. Calhoun's work gained significant attention, particularly his studies on rodent populations in confined spaces. He conducted a series of experiments, culminating in the infamous Universe 25 experiment, which remains a controversial and widely discussed study in the field of ethology. Calhoun's research, though focused on rodents, has had a profound impact on our understanding of human behavior, urban planning, and the potential consequences of overpopulation. His work continues to spark debate and inspire further research into the complex interplay between population density, social behavior, and the well-being of individuals within a society. Calhoun's legacy lies in his ability to bridge the gap between animal behavior and human societies, offering valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities presented by a rapidly growing and increasingly urbanized world. In the late 1960s, John B. Calhoun embarked on one of his most ambitious projects, Universe 25. This experiment, conducted at the National Institute of Mental Health, aimed to create a rodent utopia, a controlled environment designed to provide laboratory rats with everything they needed to thrive. The goal was to observe the long-term effects of population growth and density on social behavior in an idealized setting. Universe 25 was a meticulously designed 101-square-foot metal enclosure. It featured multiple levels, ramps, and nesting boxes, allowing for a complex three-dimensional habitat that mimicked the rats' natural environment. Food and water were provided in abundance, eliminating the need for competition for basic resources. The enclosure was also kept at a constant temperature and cleaned regularly, ensuring optimal hygiene and health for the inhabitants. Initially, 4 pairs of healthy rats were introduced to this paradise. These rats, carefully selected for their breeding potential, represented the founders of a new colony with the potential to grow exponentially. The design of Universe 25 aimed to eliminate all external factors that could lead to population decline, such as predators, disease, or resource scarcity. This controlled environment provided a unique opportunity to study the intrinsic factors influencing population dynamics and social behavior in a rapidly growing colony. Calhoun and his team meticulously documented the rats' behavior, reproduction rates, and social interactions, hoping to gain insights into the potential challenges and consequences of unchecked population growth. Universe 25, though conceived as a utopia, would soon reveal the darker side of unchecked population growth and the fragility of social structures in the face of overcrowding. The Universe 25 experiment unfolded in 4 phases, each marked by shifts in population dynamics and social behavior. The initial phase, Strive and Growth, saw rapid population growth and optimistic expansion. The rats adapted quickly, reproducing at a staggering rate. The colony doubled in size every 55 days. During the exploit phase, social dynamics shifted as the population exploded. Space became crowded, leading to competition and social stress. The stagnation phase marked a turning point. Growth slowed and social structures crumbled. Aggression and violence became common. Females exhibited erratic and neglectful behavior. The final phase, Decline and Death, painted a bleak picture. Birth rates plummeted and infant mortality soared. Many rats withdrew, exhibiting bizarre behaviors. The utopia descended into chaos and despair. Universe 25 warned of social collapse in the face of overcrowding. Section 4. Behavioral Sink, the Collapse of Social Structures. As the rat population in Universe 25 exploded, John B. Calhoun observed a disturbing phenomenon he termed the behavioral sink. This term described the breakdown of social norms and the emergence of pathological behaviors due to overcrowding and social stress. Dominant males became aggressive, attacking others, while females showed a decline in maternal care. Many rats retreated into social withdrawal, focusing solely on eating, grooming, and sleeping. The behavioral sink highlighted the fragility of social structures and the impact of overcrowding on behavior. Section 5. A Warning for Humanity, Overpopulation and Social Pathology. Although conducted on rodents, the findings of the Universe 25 experiment resonated deeply with researchers and the public alike, sparking debate about the implications for human societies. Calhoun's work served as a stark warning about the potential consequences of unchecked population growth and the importance of understanding the social and psychological needs of individuals in densely populated environments. The experiment highlighted the concept of social pathology, the idea that overcrowding and the breakdown of social structures can lead to a range of negative behavioral and psychological outcomes. Calhoun argued that as population density increases, so too do social pressures, leading to increased aggression, social withdrawal, and a decline in overall well-being. These findings had significant implications for urban planning, suggesting that simply providing adequate resources might not be enough to ensure the well-being of urban populations. Instead, Calhoun emphasized the importance of creating environments that foster social cohesion, provide opportunities for meaningful social interaction, and promote a sense of belonging. The Universe 25 experiment also raised questions about the potential impact of overpopulation on human civilization as a whole. Could the social and behavioral problems observed in Calhoun's rats manifest in human societies facing similar pressures from overcrowding and resource scarcity? This question continues to be debated by scientists and policymakers alike, highlighting the need for continued research into the complex interplay between population density, social behavior, and the well-being of individuals within a society.